The threading system is all exposed. You can see the take-up lever. As I went on with checking what was wrong, I came across this broken thread that was stuck somewhere in my machine. I don't know if you guys can see it very well. At last, I got that stuck thread out of the machine. I took out the accessory storage compartment so that I can access my bobbin area. And as I opened it, I had access to the bobbin area. I started unscrewing it slowly by slowly, and I took out the bobbin case. As you can see, it is a lot of lint, a lot of dirt. I used the brush to remove the lint from the feed dogs and around the hook, the circular metal part under the plate. If you have tweezers, you can use them to remove tangled thread or broken thread underneath your bobbin compartment. Do not blow air with your mouth. This is not good because that will just extend the lid into the inner parts of your machine, and you don't want that. So use a brush slowly by slowly. Use a clean piece of cloth slowly by slowly. And please don't use water or cooking oil. You must use sewing machine oil, not cooking oil or any other oil, because that's not recommended for your machine. I had to unscrew the needle plate and access the down part of the machine. So when you take off your needle plate, you will have access to the feed dogs. And I wanted to clean that part too. After taking out the needle plate, this is how my feed dogs look. Very dirty, so I had to use this brush slowly by slowly and take out that lid.